Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to host a website for free on Netlify, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So step one, guys, if you want to add your site, first things first, you want to sign up. If you haven't already, you can sign up, and once you're signed in, okay, you want to click on this button right here, because this is the only thing you'll be seeing. There's going to be only one option if you haven't done anything yet. If you're a new user, just click on add a new project button. Okay, then what you want to do, guys, is you want to click on that GitHub button right there, because what you want to do is link your GitHub to your Netlify. You need to link both of them. I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, once you've linked them, and you want to click here, authorize Netlify by Netlify, guys. Just authorize it. Don't worry, it's not going to store any access tokens on their server. They just need to allow GitHub and Netlify to communicate with each other. And I'm going to show you just why, because we're going to be posting our website on GitHub. Okay, so once you authorize, you'll be to this page, and from here you want to select your repo on your GitHub. So you choose which website or repo you want to be using for your website link. Okay, so choose which one you want to use, and then the next step, guys, you're going to configure your settings. Okay, you need to choose your options. You need to select where the public files are placed after building the site, e.g. the dist one, and then your build command, whatever you want to use to run to build a site. For example, here it will be the npm run build. Okay, then just click on deploy site to continue and let Netlify do its thing. It's going to start building the site. Just sit back and relax. It only take about a minute, and it's going to take care of the rest. And once it's all done, guys, your site is live. You can head over to the overview and you'll see the URL of your newly published website, guys. So Netlify has automatically generated a name for your site. You can easily update that by visiting the settings tab. Okay, just visit settings and then click on change site name. Okay, guys, change site name to whatever you want, and that's pretty much it, guys. Congratulations on your new website. It was literally that easy and simple. So if this video helps, make sure you